Alright, quick little look with the drone on top of the roof. Okay, there's one tile there about 5 rows up, cracked. I think we've lost just about every solar panel on this side. Two on the right looks sort of okay. Let's get a closer look. No, there's the lower half of that fourth panel there. Yeah, maybe just the last panel on the right. Definitely the first three have had a good couple of hits. Okay, back. So those panels look pretty good. Tile wise, we're not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, sort of looked okay. Probably need a bit of a clean. They got a bit of moss on them, but they look pretty good from here. Oh, there's definitely a tile there we're going to need to fix. So that one's had a big hit. So one tile on that side, another tile on the other side. We probably have, maybe we can get inside and we can just lift that tile and get one up in there. It's probably going to be the easiest fix. For the lower roof looks pretty good actually. Yeah, we'll go over that closer. Yeah, no big holes at least. Alright, well, 2 tiles definitely, so I don't know, let's go get half a dozen tiles just in case. And yeah, have a couple of spares, just keep them in the roof for next summer, I guess. Yeah, we definitely want to fix that hole before it rains again. Look at it, that's huge. Alrighty. Neighbour painted their roof, look how nice that is. Oh well. C'est la vie. Alright, let's get some tiles, get them installed, job done.